So your J means got over. And for most of you, your J means don't go as well it was supposed to go. But it's absolutely fine because you have a very, very important exam left out. That is BITSAT. In 2019, I got 99.3% in J mains and I got 93. Yet I gave that up and I ended up joining BITS Pilani Goa campus. And that's the beauty of BITS. The zero attendance policy, the placements, the practice school. It made it so lucrative that even though NIT is a great college and NIRF my top mein aata hai, I felt bro, BITS would be a better option. And I got 340 in BITSAT in 2019. And if you're someone who's looking to prepare for BITSAT this year, this is the right video for you. So make sure to watch it till the तो पहले आंसर करेंगे भैया बिटसैट के पैटर्न कैसा है। देखो भाई बिटसैट के पैटर्न बहुत 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 आसान है कि 130 क्वेश्चंस, 40 इन मैथ्स, 13 फिजिक्स, 13 केमिस्ट्री, 20 इन लॉजिकल रीजनिंग एंड 10 इन इंग्लिश। ये लॉजिकल रीजनिंग एंड इंग्लिश इज अ लिटिल बिट एक्स्ट्रा एज कंपेयर टू जेईई मेंस, बट इसका कोई डरने की जरूरत नहीं है। नॉट डू यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा। मेक श्योर टू प्रैक्टिस as many previous year papers as possible and as many mock papers as possible to get a hang over English and logical reasoning. Don't just go start reading a book कि भैया हम 50 Shades of Grey पढ़ने चालू किया because हमको English नहीं आती कि भाई ये तो don't make a fool out of yourself. And at the same time physics, chemistry, maths के लिए what do you need to do? First of all make sure कि भाई तुम्हारी NCERT strong है। NCERT की कभी भी भूलना नहीं है क्योंकि इट इज द फंडामेंटल बुक फॉर बिटसैट। एवरीथिंग दैट यू सी इन इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री एंड ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री विल बी आस्क्ड फ्रॉम द एनसीईआरटी textbook. Make sure to solve the in-text questions and make sure to solve the book-back questions in organic chemistry, especially questions which are reaction-based and which involve the mechanism of a reaction. And let's say if you want to go from product A to product B, what reagents do you use and what in BITSAT. और भैया एक और important बात है कि JEE means a lot of the topics got deleted and BITSAT में ऐसा कुछ deleted है? Unfortunately, no. A lot of the syllabus that you see which is deleted in JEE means it is still there for BITSAT. And हमको पढ़ना चाहिए कि नहीं, इतना syllabus है, should you actually spend some extra time in covering the JEE means का deleted topics? So I would advise कि by given that you have 30 days remaining for BITSAT, why don't you just go through them once and read the concepts once and at least फॉर्मूलाज याद कर लो कि भाई अगर इजी क्वेश्चन आ जाए तो तुम कर सके। और ये बात है कि भाई बिटसैट में ना देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ वेटेज गिवन टू ईच ऑफ द चैप्टर्स एंड ऐसा नहीं कि जेईई एडवांस में यू अंडरस्टैंड द स्पेसिफिक चैप्टर्स आर गिवन अ लॉट ऑफ वेटेज। लाइक हीट इन थर्मोडायनामिक्स पे ज्यादा वेटेज है, प्रोबेबिलिटी में ज्यादा वेटेज है और रोटेशन मैकेनिक्स में डेफिनेटली कॉम्प्रिहेंशन तो आ ही जाता है। बट बिटसैट में ऐसा नहीं है। देयर आर लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड फ्रॉम अ लॉट ऑफ चैप्टर्स। मतलब काइनेमैटिक्स से भी क्वेश्चंस आ जाता है, लॉस ऑफ मोशन से भी क्वेश्चंस आ जाता है और वेक्टर्स एंड थ्री ज्योमेट्री में भी क्वेश्चंस आता ही है। और इवन थिंग्स लाइक यूनिट्स एंड डायमेंशंस व्हिच इज द बेसिक चैप्टर इन फिजिक्स, even there also you'll find questions. So similarly, even the deleted chapters like P blocks may deleted or hydrogen or S block, chemistry in everyday life, polymers, these are some very important chapters in inorganic. So do not miss them out guys. So make sure कि तुम NCERT book पकड़ो और start reading them one by one. And make sure to give yourself some time कि अगर 2-3 दिन में I will try to cover the deleted topics only. And in that way you'll be able to understand कि भाई जो भी डिलीटेड है हमारे, यू हैव सम बेसिक ग्रिप ओवर इट। ऐसा नहीं कि यू हैव बिकम एन एक्सपर्ट ओवर इट। इफ इट्स एन एक्सपर्ट यू आर ग्रेट, बट एट द सेम टाइम यू हैव अ बेसिक ग्रिप ओवर इट बिकॉज क्वेश्चंस इन बिटसैट विल बी बेसिक। आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस राइट नाउ, लिख लो बिटसैट क्वेश्चंस आर इजी नो मैटर व्हाट। यू जस्ट हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कॉन्सेप्ट्स, फॉर्मूला, वो फॉर्मूला कैसे अप्लाई करना है, कहाँ अप्लाई करना है, एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड इज लेवल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस कैसा है। और भैया बिटसैट में लेवल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस कैसा ही है हमको पता ही नहीं है ये। आई टेल यू वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स टू अंडरस्टैंड इज द लेवल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस। देयर आर 130 क्वेश्चंस इन बिटसैट एंड उसके ऊपर तो बाई 12 बोनस क्वेश्चंस भी है। तो हाउ विल यू इवन डू दिस 12 बोनस क्वेश्चंस? तो ये 12 बोनस क्वेश्चंस का भी भूल जाओ। द 12 बोनस क्वेश्चंस विल ओपन ओनली आफ्टर यू सॉल्व द 130 क्वेश्चंस इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस। एंड वंस यू सॉल्व द 130 क्वेश्चंस, उसके बाद after submitting it, you'll get the 12 bonus questions. So make sure that if you're someone who wants to crack the really top branch like computer science or ECE in let's say BITS Pilani or BITS Goa, then I would definitely recommend you to go ahead and go with the bonus. But if you're not doing that, even then it's fine. At least for the case right now. if you attempt the questions like 110, 120 questions, and if you get a lot of the questions right, still you have a very good, decent chance of getting into a great branch, right? But भैया हमको questions attempt कैसे करने हैं? You understand that the questions in BitSat are definitely on the easier side as compared to JEE Mains. ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत easy है, but at least a level slightly below JEE Mains. Because JEE Mains has only 75 questions and you'll have integer type questions in JEE Mains as well. But ऐसा नहीं, यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं है. There are only single correct questions and +3 -1. Yes, +3 -1 is a little harsh, I agree, but still there are 130 questions, which means that you have to be very fast in terms of solving the questions. भैया ये स्पीड कैसे मैनेज करते हैं, टाइम कैसे मैनेज करते हैं? तो मेक श्योर टू सॉल्व द पेपर इन 3 डिफरेंट अटेम्प्ट्स गाइस. 3 डिफरेंट अटेम्प्ट्स का मतलब क्या है भाई? 3 डिफरेंट अटेम्प्ट्स क्या ही होता है? विच मीन्स द फर्स्ट 1 hour see the entire paper once. Whatever is the easy questions, start solving them, mark them, and whatever is the easy questions, do not miss them out in any manner possible. And in the second attempt, whatever you're doing, once you scroll to the entire paper once, see what are the questions which are remaining, which are marked for review, which are the medium questions. By you feel like, bro, I have studied this question somewhere, I've seen this question somewhere. कि भाई ये RD शर्मा में कहीं देखा है मैंने. तो go and solve that question अभी, because like you feel it's a little medium and it takes some amount of time. And once you've done that, after that, start picking the hard questions, because you will find hard questions. That is, the hard questions is what separates the toppers from the people who are not toppers. Which is exactly why you need to take a shot at the hard questions if you're aiming a top branch. Hard questions के बिना you won't be able to stand out from the remaining crowd. समझ रहे हो? And once you've done these questions in the 3 different attempts, you need to at least have half an hour remaining so that you can go and attempt the bonus questions. Bonus questions are the most beautiful thing about BitSat. मतलब I've not seen any other exam की like bonus questions. मतलब there's an actual chance ki like you can score above 390. I mean, most of you are not going to. I neither did I. Not will 99.99% of the people. But chance तो है. मतलब imagine someone got 400 out of 390. मतलब मजा ही आ जाएगा भाई. 400 ले लिया 390 के पेपर में. But if you're someone who's preparing for BitSat seriously, do attempt the bonus questions, which means that अगर half an hour remaining है, you have some 10-15 questions remaining. So just try to mark them and be a little good with the guesswork and move on to the bonus questions, because bonus questions are also on the easier side. And many of the people I've talked to, they have said that the bonus questions were actually easier than the BitSat actual examination questions. So do not miss out on them. और ये बताओ कि भैया ये लास्ट 30 days में हमको प्रिपेयर कैसे करनी चाहिए? मैं बताता हूँ. Bro, first of all, understand that chapter wise करने में कोई फायदा नहीं है अभी. Whatever you're doing right now, do it in the form of papers. And जितना भी है, even if you feel like JEE Mains related chapters में, if you feel that you need to solve chapter wise questions, try to solve more of the questions through the form of papers only, wherever you can find papers. And you can try doing JEE Mains PYQs as well. भैया JEE Mains का PYQs अभी क्यों करना है? Because I'll tell you, if you solve a slightly higher level of questions before the examination, so in the examination pressure, you will come down to that level. Like I've solved JEE Mains questions, which I'm at a level higher, and you, because of the examination pressure, you come down and you start being up with that level. Okay, and one of the most important things to do is do mock tests. Do as many mock tests as possible. Every day, give a mock test, and if you're not able to give a mock test every day, try to give at least another paper-wise problem in that time, because paper-wise problems are the most important. And do not sit down doing chapter-wise problems at this point of time. I'm telling you, because there's a huge amount of chapters and BitSat gives equal weightage to almost a lot of chapters. So do not spend your time brooding over your weak chapters, because it's very easy to understand कि like भाई ये chapter weak है, मेरे को ज़्यादा काम करना पड़ेगा. ऐसा नहीं है. Solve paper-wise questions and solve mock tests. भाई mock test कहाँ से करेंगे? What are the mock tests to solve? And most of the mock tests out there are absolutely not good, because when I was preparing for BitSat, I solved this mock test called MyPad, and the level of MyPad was so high that I got completely scared, and I was like, bro, if I do like this in BitSat, and I won't even end up getting a MSc Bio in any of the Bit campuses. So it's very relevant for you, important for you to solve the relevant mock test. Relevant क्या होता है भाई? Which is exactly why we have come up with BitSat Busted for you guys. BitSat Busted is a mock test series and an amazing community for people who are preparing for BITSAT this year. There are close to 15 mock tests for you guys to solve, and after you solve the mock tests, you will be discussing the mock tests with the people who have gotten 400 plus in BITSAT in the previous years. Immediately once you register for the mock test, you will be added to a WhatsApp group, and uske baad you'll be interacting with the mentors directly. You'll be interacting with people like me, people who have done amazingly well in the BITSAT examination in the previous years, and people like you who are actually preparing for BITSAT in a very passionate way. So if you're someone who's interested in cracking BITSAT in the best way possible, and if you feel like कि भाई हमको mock test करना ही चाहिए at this point of time, do check out BITSAT/learn, because we are there for you, and at the same time several other students are already enrolled. I'll see you guys there. So हमको recap कर लेते हैं, जल्दी recap कर लेते हैं whatever we've discussed till now, which is make sure to look at the data chapters on JEE Mains because they are very important for BITSAT. At the same time, make sure to solve NCERT questions, NCERT book back questions, and read through NCERT, especially for inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, and even physics also. And make sure to do as many PYQs as possible, JEE Mains PYQ, and even if you find memory-based BITSAT questions, they're useful. They're pretty useful. And at the same time, solve amazing 15 BITSAT busted mock test series that we have prepared for you, which is very, very crucial for you to get into the gates of BITS planning. And at the same time, make sure to have confidence in yourself. Ki like by last 1-2 months ही बचा है. Make sure to give your full force, no matter what happens. Ace it. जो भी है, whatever happens, God is with you. And I hope this video makes a difference in your preparation. And तुमको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो make sure to leave a subscribe and make sure to leave a comment as well. Like भी कर देना भाई, मतलब YouTube को अच्छा लगेगा. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.